The chromatic scales, or in fact, let's just go all the way to the diatonic scales. The diatonic scales is a number of notes that was extracted from the chromatic scales to form the musical structure in the Western Hemisphere. One of the biggest phenomena we have in music is something called octaves. Why do we hear octaves? Why, when you double a chord, or let's say primarily on A, like psycholinguistics, sociolinguistics, and the philosophical aspect of linguistics, we probably don't have. There's a paradoxical phenomenon that occurs with a musical octave, because an A chord, or C chord, or D chord consists of, let's say hypothetically, an A chord or a C chord, hypothetically, let's say, consists of 550 hertz or 240 hertz. We say an A chord consists of 440 hertz. So when you double the 440 hertz,
premonition, clairvoyance, recognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception. Looking cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas. It embodies music as a whole far more effectively. Here's one of the phenomena in music is octaves. Why we hear octave? It turns out that we hear logarithmically, meaning that the human ear interprets sounds in increments. So